You searched for how to buy shares of Storytel AB publ. Storytel is a Stockholm-based audiobook and streaming company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker STORYb.ST, and this guide is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box to look up the ticker STORYb.ST. Select the result that matches Storytel AB publ to ensure you have the correct listing. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company profile and ticker to confirm it is the correct Storytel listing. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session or executed at the next available price. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio overview once the order is executed. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform.